Hi, welcome to my Podcastio review. My name is Henry Tay. I will show you what this product is all about, and I will show you my custom bonuses that I have for you, and all the bonuses that the vendor has for you too. So what is Podcastio all about? Podcastio allows your customer to create unlimited podcasts in minutes. Instantly, they can create and sell podcasts to all podcast platforms in one click. Create unlimited podcasts for a lifetime without any monthly fees. Create podcasts using other people's content. No need to speak on to be on camera. 100% cloud-based app comes with detailed training. Create and schedule podcasts in one click. Inbuilt traffic source and helps you get traffic in one click. Use any podcast from Google and Apple Store from your dashboard. Share your playlist URL to multiple podcast sites. Done for you podcast templates, newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. And Podcastio requires only 3 steps. Step 1, content. Create your own content or use Podcastio's powerful software to use the highest quality, engaging content online. Step 2, voice. You can record your own voice or use Podcastio's awesome AI text-to-speech app to create your unique audio. And step 3, publish. Podcastio lets you publish your podcast with all the top platforms such as Google and Apple Podcast. And how much does Podcastio cost? The first entry price is $17. And if you try to exceed the sales page, there will be a pop-up. We will give you a $3 discount. We will get it at $14. And the first upsell, which is the unlimited version, is $47. Downsell is $37. And O2O number 2, agency rights, at the value of $47, at the price of $47, and downsell is $37. And O2O3, done for you setup at $297, and downsell is $147. And O204 golden membership at $39, downsell is $29. And the O205 is the reseller rights at $197, and downsell is $97. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Create your own content or use top performing content from around the web. Add your own audio or create engaging voiceovers with our powerful AI voice over software. Host your own podcast platform on the beautiful SEO optimized website. Upload your podcast to all the top podcast platforms like Google and Apple Podcasts. You don't need any skills, podcast experience, or technical know-how. Generate unlimited red-hot leads for your business. Sell your podcast or service through podcasts. Earn huge money through ad revenue and sponsorships. Create paid content for your top fans. Make more money through affiliate sales for other businesses. Sell courses and offer coaching or consulting to your listeners. You can even create podcasts for your high-paying clients. And all this is covered by a no question asked 30-day money guarantee. So when you get Podcastio through my link in the description below, these are the bonuses I have installed for you. Bonus number 1, valued at $427.95, is Enigma. And you will also get bonus number 2, valued at $46.95, is Lockdown Formula. And you will also get bonus number 3, valued at $344.95, is Content Curation Hack. And you will also get Gemini, valued at $267, and vendor bonuses too. The vendor bonuses are, the vendor has 10 bonuses in store for you. And here they are. Bonus number 1. Brand new one-click cloud-based mobile app builder lets you create unlimited mobile app for iOS and Android worth $197. Bonus number 2, Puzzle Profits. One-click app help you create a full-time passive income publishing puzzle books on Amazon KPD worth $97. Bonus number 3, Elevate, world's first done-for-you automation app that creates 100% automated software to cash in on autopilot worth $147. Bonus number 4, Kingpin, King must promote any link to the biggest buyer platform of 2021 and see how it makes us worth $197. And bonus number 5, 100K traffic. Siphon our traffic to your affiliate offers and landing pages with one click today, worth $297. And bonus number 6, Stock Hub gets instant access to the world's first biggest collection of stock images, videos, vectors, GIFs, animations, memes, and audios. Inbuilt image and video editor on a complete searchable platform worth $197. And you will also get bonus number 7, Facebook group. You will get access to customer-only Facebook groups with me and my team who will answer all your questions worth $197. Bonus number 8, Insta Profit, one cloud-based little app drives autopilot traffic for you in as little as 48 seconds, worth $197. And bonus number 9, Buyer Traffic Machine. Buyer Traffic Machine, unique one-click software gets you unlimited free traffic by hijacking others' content, worth $197. And finally, bonus number 10, live training. You will get exclusive access to secret live training, which will show you how we are running a six-figure income business without having any employees, worth $197. So you have 10 bonuses from vendor and 4 bonuses from me. So altogether a total of 14 bonuses. So do not wait. Click the link in my description below and get this product today. Thank you for watching this review for Podcastio. See you. Take care. Bye.